It's moving. I'll try it again. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, I'm going to be eating. Wow! Can you see it? It's moving. Okay, no. Oh, don't mind how I look. We're preparing for my sister's traditional marriage, and I've been working. So, but I'm not going to be eating it like this. So I heard it has a lot of health benefits and the rest. I don't know, but we're still going to prepare it. I don't know how to prepare it. I'm going to find someone that can. Shallow. But if I see it in the road, I'll just pass. This weird. I don't know. But they said it has health benefits. Maybe I'll be healthier tomorrow. I'll try it again. Never! Damn! Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell.